What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? Let's see. Twitter. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Get this tweeted. Boom. And then let's see the poll results from Twitter yesterday. So I put up a Twitter poll on what people think is going to happen for CPI. 53.7% of you has said dump it. And then 46.3% said pump it. So looks like a majority of you want the market to drop. We shall see. Hopefully you guys watched my SPY and QQQ update yesterday, because I do have some key reject levels for CPI depending on if we can get up there. But yeah, so make sure you guys run up the like button real quick. Still getting a couple things set up. Boom, there we go. So 133 people in here, 36 likes. Remember, the like goal is 200. But we do have CPI here in 7 minutes, so there's not really much we can do. Is it? Hold on, let's see. It better not be. Misprint. Or not misprint. It's just because the spread is wide. You can see that the bid is at 100.02 and then the ask is at 102.85. So it's just because it's a wide spread. Yeah, the bid is down at 101.8. Ask is at 102.85. Price is right dead in the middle of that. So it's not running. But it does look very good for a swing, depending on if we can actually get the entry today. The other day I didn't like it. Plus we had CPI coming up, so I would rather wait and see what we get for CPI before entering Monster. However, it does look like a very, very, very good swing if we can get that low risk entry. Good morning. But yeah, so we do have CPI today. What do you mean you lost me? It says excellent connection on my end. Do you guys not hear me? Let's see. Hold on. Hello? Hello, hello. Y'all hear me? Let me know in the chat. Yeah? All right. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. All right. So I would say my main levels today. Let me figure. Hopefully I did not delete the chart, or we're just going to have to redo it. Oh my God, I deleted the chart. We got to redo it. Okay. So 400 is going to be one of my main levels. Then we have a few other rejects here. Hold on. Boom, boom. Take this high to this low right here. Let's put it on default. So high, low. Looking for that 399.08. We already broke through that 0.5, which was way down at 394.44. And then we also had this high to low right here, which was at 396.84, which we're currently trading at right now. So like 400 to 399.08, that is my main reject level. Honestly, if CPI comes in good and we pump, I think we're gonna just blast right through it. But yeah, we got 4 minutes to find out. And as far as the giveaway winner, I have not chosen yet. I had a really busy day yesterday. I'm gonna choose them today and I'm gonna DM them. Then depending on where the high is, we could look for a possible bounce. But really, at this point, all we're waiting for is the CPI to come out. Let's see. I mean, if it comes in over it just, the thing is with the numbers in the market, they could be good numbers, but the market could dump still, just because it all ties in with the tapering with the Fed. So really all we can do is look at the numbers and then see how the market digests the information. It could be good, it could be bad, and the market could do the complete opposite. So we're just going to look at the technicals, and then we're going to piece together the numbers with it. But we are having a nice little pump in the pre-market. I just really wish we could hit that 399 without CPI. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys for 40K subscribers. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I appreciate all of you. 50K coming real soon. We're already at like 40,200, I think. Almost. Y'all have been running it up. But yeah, so we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 55, or 1 minute 55 seconds. Let's see what we get. Let's get the, hold on, let me get the actual expectations for today. Thursday. All right, so core CPI, the median forecast is 0.3%. The previous was 0.2%. CPI year over year, the median forecast 6.5. The previous was 7.1. So they're expecting it to come in lower, a lot lower than last CPI. And then core CPI year over year, 5.7% is the forecast. Previous was 6%. Far from famous. Far. Just a dude on YouTube who likes to educate. No, I doubt I will ever surpass Shadon. I doubt that one. That's my boy, though. All right, let's pump before the news. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Make sure running up to 200 likes, and you guys get the watch list dropped in the chat. CPI drops here in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You guys didn't like my white charts yesterday, so you guys get the colored charts today. Let's see. Oh, trust me, I'm gonna keep grinding. I got so much more education for you guys, too. All right, let's see how we react. What are the numbers? Whoops. So the numbers are... core CPI year over year, 5.7%. Forecast, 5.7%. Previous, 6%. U.S. core CPI month over month, 0.3%. Previous, 0.2%. U.S. CPI month over month, actual -1%. Forecast, negative 0.1%. Forecast, negative 0.1%. Previous, 0.1%. And then... yeah, everything was in line with the expectations that we just talked about. CPI, negative 0.1%, month over month. Expectation, negative 0.1%. CPI core, 0.3%, month over month. Expectation, 0.3%. CPI, 6.5% year over year. Expectation, 6.5%. CPI core, 5.7% year over year. Expectation, 5.7%. So everything came in with the expectations. 399 to 400 is still in play today unless we really start dumping. But I mean, it's good that the numbers came in as expected. Give the market a couple minutes to digest this information. See how we end up doing. Hold on. Denied that 50% fib from the drop. Good morning. So we got 350 people in here. Real quick. One, if you guys are not subscribed, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not subscribed, you're definitely missing out on that. Plus, I have over 950 videos teaching you on how to trade for completely free on my channel. So again, tons of free information. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. Taking the fibs, again, this low point over here to the high of the pre-market, we bounced right off of that 50% fib at 392.1. Came back up into this 50%. Hold on, not that one. Where's this one coming from? Boom, boom. Take that one off. Bounce right back up into this fib right here at 395.23. So I want to see the market pick a direction real quick. If we start cracking above 396, there's a good chance that we go up into 399 to 400. But if we deny this area and continue to fall, I will be looking for a bounce down here at 390. Looks like we're trying to bear flag right here. Just keep an eye on this real quick. I do not use a volume indicator. Only this is the TTM squeeze. To be honest with you, I hardly look at volume. Good morning. Thank you, thank you. Also, make sure you guys are running up them likes. We got 363 people in here and 150 likes. Remember, if you guys want to watch this, 200 likes. Alrighty, so somebody just keep me updated on what SPY and the futures that I'm doing. Let's find some setups for the day. So because we are still stacked on the 1 hour, ideally I'm still bullish. Stacked on the 1 hour, stacked on the 4 hour. We do have a 1 hour squeeze. I really like to see 390.6 as a potential bounce. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see. All right, let's get SPY going. SPY. 1 hour squeeze above the moving averages. Ideally, would like to see it fire up. I do have a reject level at 399.08, and I will be watching 400 as psychological resistance. If price sells off, I will look for a bounce at 390 to 390.6. The stacked EMAs, I talk about it in my book, how to use it. If you want to check out the book, it's on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Dang, they might just push us up to 400 now. They're not playing around. That fib isn't valid anymore. I don't even know where this fib came from. That's not even valid anymore. Get rid of that. Cool. I mean, maybe we just sit around 398.45. I'd still be interested if we could like sit up here and then break that level, take it for a scalp to 399.08 and then 400. Maybe we reject up there because 400 should be a good level, but ES is above 4,000. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see today. Today should be fun. Oh, that 1 hour squeeze is trying to release already. Let's see what happens if we can get above 400. Let's see. Shoulder, head, maybe another shoulder. Let's see, 400 right there. Let's look for other fibs. That's pretty much all we had. We already hit that 405, so that's not valid. $414 still hasn't been hit, so that's valid. I mean, over 400, the next logical level I think it could go to is like 405. Remember, those intervals of 5, they tend to be a pretty strong area of support and resistance on SPY. 4 or 5. Cool. I mean, yeah, I don't see anything. We do have one level right here. 403.3. Cool. Yeah, 390.6. Very interested in a bounce down there. Awesome. Let's do this. Bounce 390 to 390.6. If we crack 400, we could see. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. You're super close to the goal. We got 337 people in here. 17 more likes, and you guys got it. We could see 403.39 and 405. Cool. Who's at me in the chat? Why are people swinging puts overnight? Okay, question. How many of you swung either SPY calls or SPY puts for the CPI announcement? Very curious. Oh yeah, you best believe I'm wearing the Fibonacci gear. All right, one person, no. Crazy AF, not me. Good. If you're saying not me, good. Because, oh my God. Somebody said yes. Okay, for the ones who are saying no, good job. That is a smart thing to do. Very, very smart, because when you play CPI, it is an absolute gamble. And there's no other quicker way to blow an account than gambling. A+ setups only. That's how we become successful traders. Nobody knows what the CPI numbers were going to be. Even strangles, in my opinion, gambling, because it could just sit here in a range like it's doing right now. So for the ones who did not swing anything for the news, good job. You get a star today. I'm proud of you. For the ones who did, if you lose money, you gotta step into my office today. Come on, QQQ. There we go. All right, so my reject levels for QQQ, 280.45, higher probability, 282.69, and then 285.25. Honestly, would really like to see 285 these next few days, but, you know, that's pretty far away. That's a $10 move. So let's see. We have bounces. Low, high. We already bounced off the 50 there. In my opinion, we got pretty close to that 61.8, so I'd have to watch price action when we get to that area. A big dump, I'd be interested down here. What are we at? We're at 270. That'd be like a $10 move. Biden speaks at 10 today. Dixie $DXY. Hold on, I forgot to get live on TikTok today. Yes, watch list will be posted in the chat. But we gotta get the watch list first. Hold on, let me get live for the people on TikTok. Let them know I didn't forget about them. Even though TikTok sucks. Cool. I didn't call out Tesla yesterday. 1, because it's Tesla, and 2, it's a breakout, and plus the market looked weak. So when it comes to breakouts, everybody's going to get filled differently depending on how quick it moves. So just the breakouts, I gave you guys the level. It's just something I don't necessarily like calling out when it comes to breakouts. Now, when there's really, really good risk to reward, that's when I'll call it out. So like a fib, right? We come down to the fib, we bounce off of it, very low risk. Tesla was a lot higher risk yesterday. So I don't like calling out those higher risks because people don't listen to risk management. And as a result, they get screwed and then they want to blame me. That is why. Boom. But 95% of my trades I do call out. 279.3, break above there, 280, 280, 45, 282, 69, bingo. All right, cool. Yeah, if you're in T-Bull, you know that 95% of my trades, I call them all out. I'm very honest about them. QQQ. Let's see, same thing. 1 hour squeeze. What's going on, everybody on TikTok? 1 hour squeeze. Break above 279.3 for calls. Price target equal 280.5. Possible reject. Yeah, we got a lot of people in here today. 526. That's a lot more than normal. So if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Answer any questions for you guys. Give you all my overview on the market, what I think is going to happen. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. 950 plus free videos on the channel. Completely free for you. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Hold on. 280. 5. We already did SPY. I'll put it in the chat. 280.5 possible reject above there. 282.69. Another reject. A little higher risk or higher probability. Then 285 to 285.25, highest probability. Thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it. Let's see. If I wanted a bounce, where'd we get in the pre-market? Yeah, 272.55 would be my bounce. Watching 272.55 for the bounce. Personally, I'm more bullish today because we do have those 1 hour stacked EMAs plus the squeeze. So ideally, I am more interested in the upside, but if the market pulls back, I will be looking for puts. But yeah. 14. Oh my God, GD. What do you guys think on the YouTube? Let GD into the TikTok live. Hold on, GD, I'll get to you. Dang, somebody said no. Straight up said no. Oh, there's a lot of squeezes today. Look at all these 1 hour squeezes, 30-minute squeezes, a couple 4 hour squeezes. You guys are funny. Man, everybody's saying no, GD. They don't like you. I'll let them in anyway. I'll be nice to them. Let's see. I think I invited him. Bang. What's up, fool? Everybody was saying no.
All right, well, they could shut up.
I love it. All right, what are you watching today?
So my balance level with this was this 393, which we bounced the pre-market. So, I mean, honestly, just gonna wait till direction is clear. I really don't know what the hell's gonna go on. So, I'm just chilling for today.
Okay. I like this. I like Boeing to the upside today. American Airlines released earnings, I believe, and they crushed it. So I think Boeing should be good for an upside move. You guys gotta put some respect on GD. That's my boy. Plus, we got a video dropping today. It's gonna be fire.
That's right. Shit.
Let's see.
When are we filming that, bro?
11 o'clock? 12 o'clock? I don't know.
That's fine.
Why is this being so slow? Meta also looks really, really good to the upside today. If we can crack above 133.82 or 85, that squeeze could fire up. We could see a pretty big move. What's up?
I wonder if on my TikTok you can see I'm live too.
Maybe.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let's see. Netflix broke above those highs. Not interested in that. Nvidia also looks really good if we can get above those highs. 163.03. Nvidia. And Tesla. That's the only other thing. 125 is a big level on Tesla. Honestly, not too interested in Tesla today. Let's see.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd be interested above 124.6. Has a 30-minute squeeze. Take it back up to yesterday's high. Just depends on the pre-market. All right, so. I mean, my favorite setups today are probably Boeing and Meta. Those both look really bullish to the upside, especially if the market can pump. Let's pull up Boeing. Nice 1 hour squeeze, 4 hour trend line breakout, break a 210, take it back 210.50. Let's see, what are these highs? $213.88 reject, 215.33. Cool, let's do Boeing. What else you watching, GD?
I'm just drawing some zones out. I'm looking at Boeing because you're just talking about it now.
That monthly person's pivot is in the way. It's one level I would watch, but if we can clear that, we have a lot more room to the upside. 212.18. 18. Yes, sir. Free videos every single day. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to GD's YouTube as well. Dude has tons of free game on there. Pretty sure your YouTube is what? Just GD_investments.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you guys go give him a subscribe. Alrighty. Boeing. There we go. Looking for a break above 210 per calls. Be careful of 210.14. There, you can see. 0.5. 212.18. 213.88. No, I go live in Team Bull. So if you're not in Team Bull, make sure you do join. We go live every single morning at like 9-10 a.m. We call out all of our trades live in voice. Boom. Then we're gonna look at Meta.
That's what I'm looking at right
Like it to the upside.
now. Yeah, it definitely looks better as the upside.
Mm-hmm. Plus it has that 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze.
But I would probably play this as a breakout trade over 133.85, which I don't really like doing.
Do it. There you go, GD. I got you a subscriber.
Yay.
So over 133.85 for Meta, we can see 135 and then 135.59. That's what I see. But that looks super bullish to the upside as long as we don't break in the pre-market. Just get this out to everybody.
Do you do this every day, Brandon?
I just started getting back on TikTok. I just do it every morning on YouTube. For the break.
Oh my god, dude. Look at the Netflix. Look at the Netflix. I exited yesterday for a $300 gain. But look at the Netflix right now.
Let's see.
Oh my god. My contracts would be up crazy.
What contracts you have?
330. I think I have the 335s. Like that far out.
133.85. Can see 135 and 135.59. 1 hour and 30-minute squeeze. Both looking to fire up. Cool. So that is the watch list for the day. Real quick before I drop it in the chat, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So if you want to complain about losing money, go complain to GD. His Instagram is GD_investments.
Yeah, go. My Instagram is better than my YouTube right now, so go follow it.
Boom. All right, there's QQQ. Here's Boeing. And then Meta. Cool. So I'm going to hop off for the day. That is the watch list. Got a few things I have to do before the market opens. But make sure you guys do tune in tonight at like 6 o'clock because, again, I will have a video with GD. It's going to be absolutely fire. But if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 20 minutes.